You ever had someone tell you they loved you, only for them to disappear like they never even met you? They ghost you, they vanish, and all you're left with is 100 unanswered questions and a phone that just stares back at you like, yeah, I got nothing either. The discard stage with a narcissist is brutal because it's not just rejection, it's psychological warfare. But once you understand why they ghost you, you'll stop blaming yourself and start seeing the whole game for what it really was. Here are 10 brutally honest truths about why narcissists ghost you and how to let go without needing the closure they'll never give you. Number 1. You stopped being useful to them. Let's just get this one out of the way. They didn't leave because of something you did. They left because you stopped giving them what they wanted. Control, attention, praise, forgiveness. Narcissists treat people like tools. Once they think they've used you up, they toss you like a dead battery. I know that sounds harsh, but it's not because you weren't enough. It's because they only see others in terms of use, not connection. Number 2, they already found a new source. Narcissists don't leave unless they've got someone lined up. And even if you didn't see it coming, they've been prepping their exit long before you noticed anything was off. They'll love bomb the new person while ghosting you and make it seem like you were the problem. I know this because I've been through it, and it confused the hell out of me. One day we were working on things. The next, she was posting selfies with the new guy. Number 3, they want to punish you for pulling away. Sometimes ghosting isn't about moving on, it's about making you feel abandoned. Narcissists are experts at silent treatment warfare. If you started setting boundaries or calling them out, ghosting becomes their way of saying, oh, you think you don't need me? Watch this. They know the silence will mess with your head. That's the point. Number 4, they're testing if you'll chase them. Ghosting is often a test. They want to see if you'll beg, cry, apologize, even if they were the one who mistreated you. Because if you do, boom, ego boost. They feel powerful again. This isn't closure, it's bait. And the second you bite, the cycle starts over. Number 5, they want to rewrite the story. If they ghost you out of nowhere, it gives them the upper hand in the narrative. Now, you're the one confused. You're the one left explaining. And they can go tell the next person, yeah, they just got too emotional, it wasn't working. By vanishing, they rewrite the ending without having to take any accountability for what they did during the story. Number 6, they never emotionally attached in the first place. This one hurts, but it's a key truth to accept. The reason it's so easy for them to ghost you is because they were never truly bonded in the first place. Narcissists mimic intimacy. They say what you want to hear, but emotionally, they stay disconnected the entire time. You felt love. They felt control. That's why you're shattered and they're already on vacation. Number 7. They want to come back later when it benefits them. A lot of narcissists ghost you with zero closure because they don't want the door fully closed. Why? Because they want to come back when they're bored, when their new supply fails, when they need comfort, sex, money, praise, whatever you used to give. They're not gone for good. They're just circling the block, waiting to see if the lights are still on. Number 8, they don't think you'll leave for real. This one is the trap that keeps so many people stuck. Narcissists assume that after ghosting you, you'll still be there, waiting, hurting, and eventually forgiving. They've trained you to hope for crumbs. So when they ghost you, it's not a goodbye, it's a pause in their mind. But it can be your ending if you choose not to answer when they knock again. Number 9. They know ghosting creates confusion, and confusion is control. The more confused you are, the more you think about them. You replay everything. You doubt yourself. You scroll through text, trying to find where it went wrong. And while you're doing that, they've already moved on. That's why narcissists rarely give closure. Closure would free you, and they want you stuck. And finally, number 10, they want to disappear before you uncover the truth. Let's be real. Many narcissists ghost you because they know if they stayed, you'd eventually figure it all out. You'd catch them cheating. You'd call out the lies. You'd connect the dots. So they vanish first to avoid the guilt, avoid the consequences, and keep the mask intact for the next person. It's not maturity, it's self-preservation. If you've been ghosted by a narcissist, don't spend another second wondering what you did wrong. Their silence isn't a mystery. It's a message. It says, I never planned to give you real love, only just enough to keep you hoping. But that hope, that door, that chapter, it doesn't need to stay open. You are not here to be an emotional vending machine. You are here to heal, to grow, and to never let silence confuse you again. Because silence isn't love, silence is control. And the best way to take your power back is to stop waiting for an explanation that was never going to be honest in the first place.